Hi, this is Krista at The Secret Yarnery. Welcome to Finished Object Friday. So excited, I actually have finished objects. So this one I have finished. Let me just stand up so I can show you how I fixed the collar. If anyone remembers my collar struggles, let me just get this chair out of the way. For the ribbing, I just took it all off about 6 times and ended up doing increases. So increase, regular, regular, increase, regular, increase, regular, regular, increase, alternating 1 without an increase and then 2 without an increase, all the way along to get enough stitches to do a nice ribbed collar that is flat along the bottom. It does still go up a tiny bit, but if you do your collar up, then it gets flat. So it depends how you are wearing it. Bat wing sleeves just decreased under the arm and worked in the round, so no joining. Goes super quick. And it covers your booty. I love it. So this is made with Ice Yarn's Batik Chunky. I'll put a link for it in the description box below. It is a 5 weight and I used 2 packs of this color here and about 3 balls of this blue, maybe 2 balls of the blue. To kind of, I didn't have enough of this and it was out of stock, so I just used what I had, a different shade of Batik Chunky, and threw it on the arms, saving the original for the cuffs. That's fine. I also put a few rows when the collar started and also finished in it. Love it. It's really great. Really nice warm sweater with a nice ribbed sleeves so they don't, you know, stretch past your wrist. They stay nice and snug. But it's hot today, so I got to take it off. But that is a finished object and I really, really like it. That's my cold weather sweater. So we're going to be doing this for the crochet along in October using ambient yarn. So you can check out that video from yesterday with some details about how much yarn you'll need for that if you are joining us for the crochet along. Last finished object. I also love it so much. This was so fast. I literally was messing around with the pattern at night and it was done the next morning. Not even joking. This is a little capelet. Let me put it on for you. Smells great. This is Peru alpaca from Ice Yarns. I will put a link in the description box below as well. It's so great. So it's pretty much just a big tube. Let me push this out of the way again. Here we are. So this is just kind of like a big tube that you can pull down over your shoulders if you want to like cover up if you're wearing a sundress or something. Or you can just kind of have it all looped up around your collar. Little hood action. You can do just about anything with it. It is delicious. Oh my gosh, it is so delicious. I used 5.5 balls to make this capelet. It's just double crochets and chains. And there's a lot of spaces in there, so it's really kind of nice for a natural fiber that could be warm because you still do get some circulation in there. And I think it looks really pretty, like it looks kind of fancy, kind of like just unique. So I really like that. There'll be a tutorial coming out. I'm going to use the remaining yarn to make a cowl, so same pattern. You'll be able to decide if you want to make a capelet or a cowl. Last finished object is this little scarf I made with bubbles. Let me show you the bubbles. This is with another great yarn from Ice Yarns called Cakes Wool Light Glitz. And it has 10% Lincoln long wool in it, which gives it that nice fuzz and just a cute little border on the ends. Really cute. So this is just like an actual scarf. just for dressing up the season. It's a nice mesh, so it's not too heavy, but it also has the nice baubles towards the ends for a little bit of texture or difference, and a cute little border on the end. So that's it for my finished objects. What is just off of your hook this week? I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. Thanks for spending this time with me, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay hooked.